Hello everyone, my name is Eden Creatives, and today I want to be teaching us on how to remove image from a background. So I'm going to teach us 4 different kinds of methods. So first thing is opening of our image. I'm going to look for the right image to use. Okay, I actually like this. I want to open it up. First thing I'm going to do is remove the padlock on the image layer and making sure it's looking rasterized. This is a rasterized part, and this is a smart object, making sure it is on rasterized. It is a rasterized. So that is it. So first method, you're going to locate your properties bar, which is here. So for those that cannot find yours, go to Windows and check the properties bar here. So you want to click on the remove banner background. It is actually loading, and booms, that is it. So it has actually added a layer mask to it, which makes it non-destructible. You can actually get your brush using shortcut B, or you locate it on the tool panel here, which is this, and making sure it's on add brush. You click and you see the background is coming out. So for you to make it perfect, you can apply some changes to it. So Ctrl Z, Command D for Mac users, and delete. Okay, before then, let's actually check on the effect of the remove background. So you click on the create new layer, drag it down to the underneath the image layer, and making sure your foreground color is set to white. Click on Alt backspace or Option backspace for Mac users, and that is it. So let's go back and apply the second option using Ctrl Z or Command Z. Now the second method you're going to be using is you are going to be making applying the quick selection tool, and with the bracket close to make it bigger, and bracket open to make it smaller. So you drag with your left click, using left clicking and towards the image. You notice it's making a selection. So to make it non-destructible, you add a layer mask to it. Sorry, a layer mask to it. Oh, ooh. So first thing, you go back by Ctrl Z, by using Ctrl Z, and click on Ctrl Shift I, which is called Command Shift I for Mac users, and you want to apply your layer mask, and that is it. Apply, open the new space, and apply the white background by using Alt backspace or Option backspace. That is the second option. So for the third option, let's go back. Let's make this invisible, and let's delete the layer mask. So we are going to look for another method, which is the third method. We're going to make use of the magic wand tool. You left click on this, bringing out the other option here. Go to magic wand tool, and you want to left click to create a selection, and you delete at every point in time. You left click and you delete. So that is it. Actually, this is a non-destructible. This is a destructible type. You can actually make it non-destructible depending on whoever is using the tools. So the last method, let's move on to the last method. Let's Ctrl Z and go back, which is using pen tool. So this is actually the most complicated method. So we are going to be making the marquee a selection by clicking around the image. So I'm going to make this place faster, so our video will not take longer. So it actually takes perfection to master using the pen tool. So we've come to we're going to close this up by clicking where we started from, and you're going to click Control Enter or Command Enter for Mac users, and you want to click delete or making it indestructible by clicking on the layer mask, and boom, that is it. So let's add the background to see. Well, you can see that it's not actually perfect, but you can make it perfect since I have a backup here using my layer mask. So that is that for today. Thank you guys for paying rapt attention. For those who, before I finish, actually what made this selection to be quite faster is because we had a contrast, high contrast, which the background is high in contrast compared to the image, and which makes the selection easier for us. So thank you for listening. For those who have not subscribed, you can do so now, so that when I upload another video, you can be the first to check it out.